Welcome to the Picture News YouTube channel. In this video we're going to delve into the new development tracker that can be found on the Picture News website. The purpose of this development tracker is to support you with tracking how Picture News resources supports you with developing your children in a range of different fields, all the way from things like media literacy to British values and more. So this is an optional extra. It's something that can support your school with development and tracking how your children's development is happening throughout your school. So let's delve into how to use it, how to access it, and all the things that are brand new inside. Looking forward to this one, and I'm sure you are too. So on the Picture News website, you will go into the members area. It's a nice simple click through, and then from there we will be able to click on the development tracker that is just there. From there we then look down and you can see that I have, like Art Attack fashion, already set one up earlier. Now this is my one classroom, and you can see that along the top you've got a range of different filters. So if you are a whole school and you're filtering this out in a large school, you can look at the year group, you can look at the class names and things like that. To create a classroom, it's really straightforward. We simply tap on add a new classroom, and then from there we look at the year group. Specifically, this is mainly for Key Stage 2, as we thought the skill sets that are being developed are more suitable to that. So from there we look at these different things here, our key stage, our class name, and so on. So let's start by setting something up. We'll go for a Year 5 class, Mr. B, because I've already got one called Mr. Blakemore. My name, total students, we're actually just going to go with a dream number of 20. So now you can see I've got two classes, a Year 5 and a Year 3 class. From there I'm going to go down and I'm going to add a new tracking. This is something that's going to help me out. When I track, I can choose the specific things and objectives that I want to track. So if I wanted to track every single one, I can do that, and that's what I'm going to do. But I can also just click off and track them one by one. So this might be good if you're looking at a specific key focus for a half term and you just want to track that single area. At the end of the term, as if I'm imagining I'm doing that now, you might want to review those objectives and look at ticking off all of them. So for now we're just going to keep all of them ticked. We're going to select the classroom, so that's my new one, Mr. B, and select the tracking date. We're going to press submit. So now you can see I've got two, one that's already completed and this one here that's created. It's got red because it's got 0% progress at the moment. Now to make any adaptations and adjustments, I'm simply going to tap on this little button that's in the corner, this edit button, and from there I can start to look at the specific goals. So I won't read through all of them, but let's just look at British values and inclusion. Children can explain the importance of British values and the role they play in their children's lives and the lives of others. And you can see we've got 4 specific goals here: emerging, developing, secure and mastering, aligning with the national curriculum for the UK. So I'm just going to go through this now, and we need to make sure that the totals add up to 20. So if I said that the emerging, we've got, let's say it's the end of the year, we've got 3 children who are emerging. Developing, we've got 2. I've got the majority of my children, 13. Now I'm getting a bit confused on the maths here. I can't remember how many I have done, how many are left, but you can see in this corner, which is nice, that this is updated, and I can see I've got 2 left. So 2 of my children are mastering that specific objective there. So I can just continue going through, and I can continue going through this 1, 1, 18, we'll skip to me completing all of these different objectives. You can see that there are plenty for us to look through. Okay, so now you can see that all of them are complete. I've gone through each objective and I've selectively completed it based on my own assessments. From there, we're simply going to press mark as complete. And you can see nicely at the top now, we've got some graphs that I can use for my data analytics, looking at, okay, we've got quite a high proportion of children who are secure across the board, and then I can delve into the colour codes and look at which ones are emerging, developing, and then go from there to see what areas are going to be important for me to look at in particular. And there we go. That is a quick run through how to use the new development tracker on the Picture News website. This is an optional extra that is included as part of the Picture News subscriptions. Really exciting and allows schools to delve into the resources a little bit further and add a way of tracking and assessing as they go along too. Thank you very much. If you haven't already, for any particular reason not subscribed yet, make sure you do that and like the video to see more of what we do here at Picture News.